Hello viewers, my name is Mohammed Iqbal and you are watching my YouTube channel. Welcome. If you want to know the absolute fastest way to build wealth in today's economy, it all comes down to three power levers: compounding, assets, and leverage. Let's dive straight into the modern blueprint for financial freedom. Here's our roadmap for today. We're covering why most people stay broke, how to build multiple income streams, mastering leverage, avoiding psychological money traps, and executing a step-by-step 5-year wealth strategy. Building wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working strategically. Using modern data frameworks, we're focusing on high-velocity capital growth designed to give you modern financial freedom and stability. Why do most people stay broke? They get caught in three main traps: trading limited hours for money in the rat race, losing purchasing power to inflation and high debt, and never receiving proper financial education. Being rich means having a high income today, but true wealth is about time and freedom. True wealth happens when cash-flowing assets pay for your lifestyle, so you never have to work for money again. Look at the wealth gap. While traditional savers watch their purchasing power get eroded by inflation, asset owners see exponential growth over time. To close the gap, you must transition from a saver to an investor. Rule number 1. Stop relying on a single paycheck. The fastest route to wealth requires shifting to multiple, scalable revenue streams that prioritize high-value impact over exhausting physical labor. Understand active versus passive income. Active income is like pulling a heavy cart manually. Your time is strictly limited. Passive income is an automated water wheel that generates value 24/7 while you sleep. Rule number 2. Control your expenses. Avoid lifestyle creep as your earnings rise. Use the classic 50-30-20 budgeting rule: separate true needs from status symbols and always pay yourself first. Watch out for hidden money leaks. Unused subscriptions, ghost fees, high credit card interest, and buying luxury items just to impress people are silent killers of your future net worth. Rule number 3. Invest early. Procrastination is a heavy tax on your future. Remember, time is your single greatest asset, and time in the market beats trying to time the market every single time. This is the magic of compound interest. Early growth feels slow, but eventually it turns vertical like a hockey stick. By reinvesting your returns, your money creates an unstoppable wealth snowball. Why does time beat money? Because money is infinite, but time is finite. Starting even 10 years earlier can double your eventual wealth because compound growth relies far more on duration than check size. Rule number 4. Build high-value skills. Focus on deep work like sales, coding, leadership, and AI integration. Wealth is simply the byproduct of your ability to solve complex, valuable problems. Follow the ultimate wealth flow. Acquire high-value expertise, convert those skills into strong cash flow, and immediately reinvest that cash into income-producing assets that work for you. Rule number 5. Stack your income streams. Combining side hustles, real estate, dividend portfolios, and digital assets mitigates risk and exponentially accelerates your journey to financial freedom. Practical examples include digital e-commerce storefronts, ad revenue from content platforms, dividend stocks, rental properties, and peer-to-peer lending platforms that generate compound interest. Rule number 6. Buy assets, not liabilities. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out. Don't fall for status traps like overpriced luxury cars that drain your cash flow. To supercharge your net worth, shift capital away from depreciating liabilities like credit debt and car loans, and direct it straight into stocks, real estate, and income-generating systems. Rule number 7. Leverage 4 core pillars: capital, time, people, and technology. Use strategic debt, outsource tasks, and deploy digital AI automation to handle manual labor for you. Look at the leverage pyramid. Manual labor sits at the bottom. Capital is in the middle. At the absolute peak are code and media, offering infinite leverage with zero marginal cost to replicate. Avoid these critical errors: hesitating to enter the market, panic selling during dips, relying on a single income stream, and ignoring tax inefficiencies that can cut your net worth by 30. Conquer psychological traps. Stop trying to keep up with the Joneses, replace fear-based scarcity with an abundance mindset, and manage loss aversion so you can take calculated risks. Follow this 4-phase formula. Phase 1, eliminate high-interest debt. Phase 2, build a 6-month emergency fund. Phase 3, master high-value skills. Phase 4, aggressively buy cash-flowing assets. Here is your 5-year timeline. Year 1, focus on foundation and debt elimination. Years 2 to 3, launch and automate secondary income streams. Years 4 to 5, scale your portfolio and optimize taxes. The ultimate target is the crossover point. This happens when passive investment returns surpass your active salary. That exact moment is when you achieve full financial independence. To summarize, buy back your time, legally minimize your tax burden, keep high profit margins with liquid cash on hand, and remain consistent with your main long-term financial goals. Wealth is built by daily habits. Spend 30 minutes learning every day, strictly track every dollar flowing in and out, network with high-level mentors, and protect your health for peak performance. Make the final mindset shift. Wealth isn't a lottery ticket. It's a conscious choice built through discipline. Shift your perspective to think in decades but execute in days. Take action today. Open a brokerage account. Audit your spending habits over the last 30 days. Pick one high-value skill to learn and write down a clear 12-month net worth goal. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Commit to your financial future today. Your future self will thank you for taking action now. Wealth is built, not wished for. If you like this video or you find this helpful, subscribe to this channel and keep watching next videos for daily strategies and start building your wealth.